Sit or lie down comfortably now, back straight but not rigid, chin slightly tucked, hands on knees or resting at sides. Gently close your eyes. You're about to begin a cleansing, harmonizing experience using the natural energies of the body. Imagine now a pure white light streaming towards you from a place above the top of your head. As this light comes closer, you feel your head opening up to accept the light and invite it into your body. The light now streams down through your body and into your feet, filling up your legs with beautiful white light. Feel now your trunk filling up with this pure white light, rising up to your chest, across your shoulders and down into your arms. This white light now fills your neck and throat, face and head. Your entire body is filled with a pure white light. Focus your attention and breath now on a place near the base of your spine at the tailbone. As you listen to the sound of this place, you notice a red light beginning to flow from it down towards the ground. This red light connects you with the earth, your physical substance, and your physical energy. You feel safe and grounded as you watch the red light flow from you into the earth. As the light flows down, you notice that it is also flowing around your physical body, encompassing you in a soft halo of red light. Let the red light continue to flow on its own, and focus your attention and breath in your pelvic area. Hear the sound of orange as you begin to see an orange light appear and encircle your pelvis. This orange light is the home of your physical desires and energies. As it circles your pelvis, you feel the orange light moving up and down your body, surrounding you in a second halo of light just next to the red halo. Your entire body is now surrounded by a red and orange halo of light. Allow the orange light to continue to flow on its own, and now focus your breath and attention on your solar plexus, just below your rib cage. Hear the sound of yellow, and feel a warm yellow light begin to appear here. This light also encircles your body, flowing up to your head and down to your feet just beyond the red and orange lights. The yellow light represents your emotional happiness and success. The yellow blends beautifully with the red and orange now surrounding you. Now focus your attention and your breath in the heart area. The center of love, balance, and healing begins to give off a beautiful green light. Hear the sound of your heart as the green light begins to surround your chest, moving up and down your body. You are now within a green halo of healing and of love. The green of the heart center gently blends with the red, orange, and yellow, softening and healing and harmonizing all the colors of energy you are now experiencing. Let this green light flow in and through and around your body as you become aware of the sound of blue forming in your throat. The sound and the color blue circle your throat, flowing gently through and around you. The throat center represents your ability to speak openly and lovingly. You feel your throat relaxing and loosening as the color blue circles all other colors around your body. Listen for the new tone as you see a violet light coming from just above your eyes at the center of your forehead. This light is your ability to see clearly and to understand all things. Violet now encircles your head and flows down and around you. Violet connects with and encompasses all other colors around your physical body. Listen to the violet of greater awareness and spiritual insight. The rainbow surrounding your body is now almost complete. Return your focus to just above the top of your head and see a pure white light passing through your head, becoming the center of the rainbow. Listen, you are now surrounded by the pure white light of being who you really are. Feel the pure energy of the universe balance and heal your body and mind. See the rainbow surrounding you now. This rainbow is the real you. A vision of color and energy, of harmony and peace. Allow now any impurities which may be in your physical body or mind to flow from them into and through the rainbow, which is you. See any negativities leave your body, flow through the rainbow halo, and out into the universe to be transformed into all things good. Feel yourself grounded by the red light, safe and happy within the orange and yellow lights, loving and giving within the green, blue, and violet lights. Now feel the colors of light begin to fade slightly. They do not disappear, but simply fade from your awareness for a while. You are beginning to feel centered within your physical body again. All colors and energies are functioning now in a way just right for you. Feel how clean and new your physical body is, how refreshed and peaceful your mind is. Feel how new the world around you now appears as you gradually open your eyes and begin to stretch. Know that these lights and sounds are always with you, always ready to help you tune up and tune in to the real you.